You, on the couch there.
Yeah, you. Listen, have you ever been surfing the channels late at night and come across one of those infomercials? You know the ones where some average Joe off the street is telling you how easy it was for him to get rich in real estate. Now, didn't you take one look at him and say, boy, if that guy can do it, I know I can. Well, this is your chance. While they had to invest loads of money upfront on videos and books, or travel somewhere to attend a week-long seminar, all you have to do is listen to this video. I'm a real estate investor. I buy property. I believe that the real estate market has bottomed out, so I need to load up on as many properties as I can before the market starts to edge up, taking prices with it. I need help. The only way that I can buy the amount of property that I need is to have deals in front of me. You can actually make a living or at least some extra cash by simply referring properties to our investment team. If you're good, we may even ask you to join us. This could be an easy, risk-free first step into a successful new life. Before you contact us, let me just tell you about the basic principle of investing. It's called the 65% rule. Let's say a house in this neighborhood repaired would sell for $100,000. Let's say the repairs will run $15,000. A savvy investor knows that today's purchase price would have to be no more than $50,000. The 65% rule says that the maximum you can invest in a home would be 65% of its ARV, or after repaired value. If you can bring us deals like this one, you'll be earning money in no time. So if you're serious about taking the next step and getting involved in real estate investments, let's chat.